Alright, next thing we're going to cover is the folders within a loop. So once you go into a loop, you should theoretically be able to do everything in there. So if you have a listing and you get offers on it, you can store all of those documents into that loop. So we've got a listing here, 123 Anywhere Drive, and somebody just filled out and wrote an offer on it, and I want to save that into this loop. So very simple to do. So first thing we're going to do is obviously open up the loop. And how we're going to do this is using the folders. So right now this folder contains my listing docs. I can hide them all, I can open them all up. Or if I go over here, I can add a new folder. So I'm going to add a folder, and this folder is going to be offer from Joe Agent. So I received an offer and I scanned it into my computer. So now all I'm going to do is select from my computer that offer. So I hit select, and I'm just going to use a PDF file that I have on my desktop, and I just select that. That's the document that I got in my email. I saved it to my desktop, and now I'm grabbing that document and I'm uploading that in there. So now I've got an offer from Joe. I can hide that. Actually, hide that and just close down that little option there. So I've got an offer from Joe. I can open up that at any time and look at that offer and then close it down. I've got all my listing docs here, and I can see all of the people that I have inside of my loop here, and then my tasks down at the bottom. So we can add as many folders as we want. So if we get another one, we can add another folder. And this is going to be a offer from Sally Agent. And then I can go ahead and select that from my computer, and that one's on my desktop. I grab that, it uploads the documents, and then I'm good to go. So I can minimize that. So now my loop has my listing docs and then all of my offers sitting right within one area. So now if I want to look at this, all I have to do is click on it and it'll open that up. And obviously this is something different than an actual thing. I can add signature fields to it as well, so if I needed to sign something, I can do that. Again, this system will allow you to pretty much do anything you need to within those contracts and the editability and customization that you have. So that is how you use these folders on the side, and at any time you can archive that. So if this offer from Sally Agent is just absolutely dead in the water, no good, I can archive that, and then that way it's out of my way. So I'm just dealing with the stuff that really matters in here, and then at any time I can show archived, so it'll bring back that. And that's why the option of archiving is there instead of delete, just in case you ever need to go back. You have unlimited storage, so archiving is just like deleting without actually fully deleting that file. You can always bring it back. It just gets it out of your way. I can unarchive that at any time as well. So that is how the folders work. You can add unlimited folders into any of your loops at